Hello, 1 August 23rd. Alright, tomorrow I have my defense. So, let's do this quick. Jesus. Text justification. Alright, given an array of string with a width max, with formatted text such that each line has exactly max width and is fully left and right justified. You've got to be kidding me. Left and right justified. You should pack your words in a greedy approach. That is, pack as many words as you can in each line. Pad extra spaces when necessary so that each line has exactly max width characters. Extra space between words should be distributed as even as possible. If the number of spaces on a line does not divide evenly between words, then empty slots on the left will be assigned more spaces than the slots on the right. For the last line of text, it should be left justified, and no extra space is inserted between words. A word is defined as a character sequence consisting of each word's length is guaranteed to be greater than 0 and not exceed max. The input array words contains at least one word. So max on 16, we do. Note that the last line is shall be instead of shall be, because the last line must be left justified instead of fully justified. Each line has exactly max width characters and is fully justified. You should pack your words in a greedy approach. Pack as many words as you can in each line. Pack as many words as you can on each line. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That means we cannot pack. So this is the only thing we can pack. We pack that. Then we pack this. And pack this. We shall pack as many words. So I try to pack as many words as I can. So I pack this. I count how many. And then the amount of white spaces cannot be evenly distributed. So when it cannot be evenly distributed, the empty slots on the left will be assigned more spaces than the slots on the right. What if we have multiple? A 2, 2, 1. So that's what it means. The ones on the left should be larger than the one on the right. But science is what we 20. I mean 1, 2. This 1, 2. So extra, right? What you call it extra? We have 1 extra. 2 extra, so I cannot fit this in. Okay, this one I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra, but this word has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think, yeah, I'm not Java this one today. I want to do it as fast as I can because I still have some PhD slides to deal with, to go through. So basically we're going to go as many as we can until we cannot. Then we call a function, pass this in, and then handle it. Okay? How do we handle it? So we'll know these words, right? We will know everything, and then we just try to evenly distribute everything. But if I cannot evenly distribute, then the one on the left should be more than the one on the left, on the right. So in this case, so it has to. It's not very clear on those situations. So this one, basically, we have a 2-2-1 situation, 5, right? 5 divided by 3 is basically 1. Right, so I have 1, 1, 1. Then I have 2, so I just go, okay, we can do that. We can do that. That's okay. Oh no, I can just go with my instinct and see how that one works. I'm gonna Python this. Sorry, I simply don't have the capacity for anything other than Python today. Oh, it's a Java. Shoot. Okay. No, don't do this. So here's what I think. At max, I shall call a function def justify. We'll have left, low, high. Okay, so that is for the words. We know which words have to put inside, right? Have a low and high. So what does this return to us? It's going to return to an str. So I have a low and a high. So I pick the words out. Then again, I need to find how many, the length of everything. I already computed, so I hope I don't have to compute it again. But I know they fit, right? So I shall pass in how many extra? How many extra? So extra space. Right? How many extra space that I need? How many extra space that I need? So then I need to count how many words that I have. Right? If I have 3 words, I have 2 spot in between. So I just go filter once and filter 2 times, filter 3 times, right? I have that many spots, and then I have the remaining okay, so I have, say, average y space shall equal to extra divided by extra additional y space shall equal to div mod extra y space divided by high minus low plus high minus low, right? 0, 1, 2, 3 letters. So 2 minus 0 is 2. I have 2 space in between. So I'll do that, and then we're gonna create the last thing. For I in range, right, low to high. Okay, say res array equal to this. Res this dot append words I, and then number of y space shall equal to this plus this, and now we say if add additional, then this plus equal 1, and then this minus equal 1. Once we're done, res dot append y space times num of y space. Once we're done, we return dot join res this. Okay, let's justify. Oh, hold on. High if this, and then if I is smaller than high, because the last one we don't need to add the next one. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is go word by word, right? For I, W in enumerate words, num of char, right? So num of char plus equal to len word, right? Because I include this, and we say if num char is larger than max width, so we add this as larger than, then we need to call and low, right? Low and the rest, right? If we keep adding, it gets above. We add a current word, it explode on a max width. Then we need to remove that, right? We need to remove that. Then we call num char minus equal to len w. So we remove this. We remove this. The remaining, right? The remaining we are going to push inside. The remaining we're going to push inside. So we can do justify low. High should be I minus 1 because we're not taking I. Extra should be num char, it's a total, and max width minus num char. And then rest dot append this thing. Right, and we append, then num char shall equal to w len w plus 1. This 1 is the y space, right? Or plus 1. Hold on. We add this and then explode. And we remove this. Num chars actually should be minus 1 because I added the y space, right, with minus 1. So max width minus is num char, and then we do that. Once we're done, that's a new thing, right? It's a new thing. Then we do the len width and it's plus 1, right? This new num char. Then we start again, and then low equal to I. Then we start again. Else, if num char is smaller equal to the max width, then we simply do num char plus equal 1. That's the additional y space. Then go back up. I'm trying to add the next one. Too much. Remove that and do that, right? And how do we find the last one? Well, we need to find the last one because I want to return rest here. So we need to find here extra, right? We should say if high is equal to len words minus 1. So this is last row of word. A last row must be left justified. So how do we do left justified? So I have low and high, I have everything. Then we will return. I know the extra number, right? So we can just return this dot join words low to high, right? Low to high plus this times extra. Okay. You wanna give this a shot? Oh, code very fast, so not sure. I think something might be wrong. Max width is not defined. Modulo by 0. Oh. High could be low. High and low could be the same one. Which one we have high and low in the same one? Beautiful. Beautiful. High and low is the same one. Wait, what? Which one? Alright, let's do it one by one. This one, right? No. Gosh, May. What? Alright. One at a time. Let's check. I think this problem is difficult because of these test cases. It's okay. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I do not worry. We'll figure it out. Words and max width. Okay. Words and max width. That's not right. There's no such a thing as max width. We only have max width. What's this one? Full justify. Okay. Words max width. No, it's not right. Of course, we already identify it. We can do one by one. So this is n, right? The number of extra is not correct. Okay, let's see. I'm print extra. What's extra? Extra is 4. Right? We have 1, 2. Wait, hold a second. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should be 6. That's not right. We something's wrong here. It's okay. Let's comment this out. Let's figure out anything's wrong here. We add this, right? Num char is not larger than max width, so this plus equal 1. Let's see. I, W, and num char. This is 4, right? This is 3, it's 7. This is 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's already not right. No, that is correct. I shall do it here to fully understand. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, right? We have 11. The target is 16. And then the next one gets too much, right? So we handle this, and there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is correct. And the extra, so this num char I add, right? I add this, and I minus the last one. And I minus. Oh. Should be plus 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's still not right. Hold up. Let's see here. Char is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is correct. We have 10, right? And then this minus 10 shall be 16 minus 10 should be 6, right? So we comment in shall be 6. Comment out this extra 6. That's correct. this is not correct. 6. When we have 6, divided by high minus low. What's high? High, actually we should see. What's low? High. 0, 2. So 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Right? 2 is 3. So average white space. Average extra additional white space. I forgot the additional. My bad. Average additional white space. An additional white space. All right, let's change this. Extra white space. So this will append this num white space equals this plus 1, because that one is the original one, and then we might add another one, and then we do this. Is this right? 2, 1 is it right? Now we just need to handle the last one. What the hell happened to the last one? Oh, the last one didn't happen inside, because when this one come out, right? When this one come out, numchar add something, and numchar add plus equal 1. Right, and then right, the last one we basically add the last one. It's smaller than numchar plus equal 1, so we add. We have a low and we shall have a high. We shall have a high when we come out. If we finish up originally, like if we finish up right here, then low will equal to that. If we finish up originally, and the last one, if numchar is larger than, now it won't happen. It won't happen. I think I should be here. Rest.append. Justify low and high should be I, right? And max width minus numchar. What's coming out? $15. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So when the last one comes in, oh, I need to do this thing. When they come out, is the last one, so numchar shall minus equal 1. That's the last one, numchar minus equal 1. And then the last one will do this. Okay, this one seems alright. Try the others. Oh, this one's right. How about the others? Alright, we still have issues. So one test case is done. Let's try the other one. Oh, that's the problem. What? It's okay. Division. Madre mía. Zero, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2. What must be? 3, 3. Oh, acknowledgement. Oh, that's interesting. 3 to 3 is just by itself, which means we have a 0. Average, there's no average extra white space. Okay, so if high is equal to low, average white extra space shall equal to extra space, right? And additional extra space should be 0, so no additional. Else we do this. That's weird. Almost. Why won't have extra space? Should have 2 extra space. Right? 1, 2. Should have 2 extra space. Average. Num extra. Plus 1. Oh, if I is smaller than high. Because the last one didn't add. Ugh. Okay. So another way is consider this separately. Now I return separately. Then we'll just say, let's just return words low plus this times extra. That's it. Don't have to worry about all the other things. And these will just be here. Okay, yeah, this one is good. We have another print. Okay, still works. I'm pretty sure there will be other things waiting for me to got me. Oh, surprisingly, all these 3 done. All right, let's try this. Wow. Ooh. Ah. Take out one shot. One shot, dude. Some debugging, right? Some debugging, but overall, it's pretty much one shot. Surprisingly, and I did this before. Maybe is that the first one that I saw by myself? 2019. 2019, back in Java. Oh man, I dread reading this. Stream builder. Yeah, I'm not gonna read this. I'm just gonna redefine this thing. Not really a difficult one, but some analysis is needed for to handle tricky edge cases. And the basic idea is to read through all the words until the required length, that is each word associated with one white space, exceeds max width. Then we delete Now we exclude the last word and justify all the previous words. We know the total amount of extra white space needed, so we just need to evenly distribute these extra white spaces. We use div mod to find the remaining white spaces, additional white spaces to distribute. We distribute them from left to right. The two edge cases are: one, the last row, which we shall handle separately, and two, a row, a non-last row that contains only one word, which we can also handle separately. So overall is our ON. Surprising. Okay, then we're done. Oh, NK. Average length. Oh, because... yeah, my bad. ONK, yes. Because we have... this is ON, because every single word. And in here, we have to go through... actually not here. It's hard to say, right? Because... I mean, you count this, right? You have to count this as well. This is technically still ON, but you have to do these. You have to do these and these. Yeah, I guess you can say it's. Is that why? Alright, so that'll be it. Yeah, I think when you use like Java or stuff, it's easier for you to see where things are. You know, create line. You can see, okay, this is like ON. In Python, it hides. These are hidden from you. Yeah, you do this, it's kind of hidden from you. For me, I just add this, multiply by that. It's all part of the complexity, but you don't see it. You don't see it. Okay, that'll be it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Wish me good luck. I'm gonna defend tomorrow. Adios.